Zama Duma posted this on her Instagram. I do not have a YouTube channel. Makoti Diaries Yani. So someone out there created a YouTube channel on behalf of Zama and impersonating her, making it seem like it's her own channel. And honey, you know me, I went ahead and did my research and searched her name Zamaduma, and I could not find her YouTube channel. So I searched Makoti Diaries because that's what the name of the vlog is named, and I finally found it. Because honey, what is this? Look at that, 24,000 views, like in just 13 days, over 3K subscribers. Yo, hi guys, like this is such a problem. So guys, as you know, she became so famous after her lavish wedding with Mr. Gumbi, who happens to be a polygamous man and has 3 wives, including Uzama. And she became so famous because he sent a letter to her home within 7 days, guys. That is very rare. Like, I don't know who knows anyone within 7 days, but he sent a letter to her home within 7 days. And this was also known. She told us during her wedding speech that she got married literally within a week. So it became so famous because also Mr. Gumbi is so famous because they already had a reality show on TV with 2 of his wives. So yeah, that is how they became famous. And I remember the same thing also happened to Grace Montana, where there was someone who was impersonating her, opened a YouTube channel on her behalf, and I even subscribed to that channel because I was like, oh my gosh. And people were asking her on TikTok, like, why are you not posting videos on your like long form content on YouTube? And she was like, I don't have a YouTube channel. So yeah, it happens a lot, guys. So we really need to be careful of these things, and I'm happy that she did clarify these things though. And Grace really took her time, but I'm saying that people will definitely do this a lot, and now they're also doing it also on YouTube, because YouTube rules are very strict and you can get banned on YouTube very quickly. So we need to be careful of this, and they also need to come forward and tell us that, guys, I don't have a YouTube channel. Like, if you guys want to subscribe, it's fine, but I don't have a YouTube channel, right? So guys, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.